Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 power x plus 4 power x equal 40 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 4 power x, if I'll take common, so 1 plus 1 equal 40. So 4 power x times 2 equal 40. Now if I'll divide both sides by 2, so this will cancel out. So 4 power x equal 20. Now, if I'll take log on both sides, so log 4 power x equal log 20. So, as per log rule, log a power b equal b log a. And this becomes x log 4 equal log 20. Now, if I'll divide both sides by log 4, so this will cancel out. So x equal log 20, I can write it as 4 times 5 by log 4. Now as per log rule, log a times b is equals to log a plus log b. So x equal log 4 plus log 5 by log 4. So x is equals to log 4 by log 4 plus log 5 by log 4. This will cancel out. So x equal 1 plus log 5 with base 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.